Use AI-powered transcriptions and meeting minutes on Convay. During a meeting, you will see the main Convay meeting interface. If you click this More button, you will see the Transcriptions option here. Click Start Transcriptions. Choose your preferred language. Convay supports transcription in 30 languages. Now click Start Transcriptions. Convay will start capturing all conversations with the help of AI. Now, let's see how you can get the meeting minutes. After your meeting ends, go to your Convay dashboard. Now, go to the meeting management. Here, from the previous meeting option, find the meeting where you generated the transcriptions. Here you can get all the files related to your meeting. If you click this transcription option, you will find the transcriptions of your meeting. Now, if you click the Generate Meeting Minutes button, Convay will automatically summarize the whole meeting. Experience smarter online meetings with Convay.